Sexyy Red says she's getting paid $200K per show. She says $200K for a show, and my niggas selling swag. Really? That's kind of interesting. $200K. I don't know about $200K. I definitely think that. I think she's getting definitely over $100K. Because these days, rap it's not necessarily about your catalog or what album you have out. It's really mostly about hype. And here's the funny part about it: Sexyy Red is the most hyped rapper of like newer rappers, more than any even guy, and it's kind of